Ravi with the Rams Group at eXp Realty here. It's a thrill to connect with you. I'm standing in front of 810 Northeast 90th Street in Seattle in the most coveted Maple Leaf neighborhood. With this home being just 5 minutes away from the I-5 ramp, Northgate rail station, the Reservoir Park, and the Cloud City Coffee, and with other amenities so close by, this home is a homeowner's dream come true. With a flat lot, which is about 6,000 square feet, homes like this are rare to come by in Seattle. The home itself has 1,380 plus square feet on the main level, and with a huge unfinished basement, which is about 730 square feet, the possibilities are limitless. With so many cool features, this home is an investor's, builder's, and a homeowner's dream totally come true. Are you ready to check this out? Come, let's go. Thank you so much for checking my listing out. If you have any questions, feel free to call, email, or text me, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. I look forward to hearing from you. You make it an awesome one.